everybody, I'm going to give you a quick Sgsmåk garden tour. So we have our first Sgsmåk here with this beautiful kale that people have been harvesting from already. We have celeriac here and cucumbers already producing all out of one Småk. Nasturtiums, some more curly kale there. We have on this side some basil kale and lettuce and bok choy. You could feed a whole small family out of this Sgsmåk. Here we have some more Swiss chard, and you see the slugs have been getting to it already, but that's okay. The other stuff's doing really well and it's still edible. So some things don't do as well sometimes, don't know why, but certain things struggle, and that's okay because the other things are, these beautiful lettuces are just incredible, and they're just, this one's growing out of a fence post. And yeah, so these are just so prolific. It's amazing. This entire head of lettuce is growing, well, there's 4 of them out of one Småk. We have some basil here and some marigolds to attract the pollinators. And we have this beautiful Småk over here, which is growing this massive zucchini plant with some little zucchinis growing here already. We have some mint and some oregano, more huge lettuce. This is the same plant as this one, but it didn't quite get going just as much. So that's okay, that happens. And we have our potatoes here that we've already hilled up with hay. And actually, look at this, just after only, since June 5th, the Småk has already completely disintegrated. So you see how biodegradable this is. And then one of our neighbors here wanted to plant these flowers that she had. So we've made a little Småk too, that some of these flowers can attract pollinators. So this is our beautiful Småk garden demo here that we did at Wall Street Community Garden. And we had some neighbors come and help out and learn how to make Småk gardens. And here's the sign. So yeah, if you're in Vancouver, you should come by and see this on beautiful Coast Salish territory.